Hello there and welcome to Auto Assets. This is Nathan and going to take you around this 2012 Porsche 911 997S today. It's a nice lighting to see the color of this car. Exterior color is Macadamia metallic, a nice brown metallic color. Well, Chip's okay. All right, we'll do it now. Chip's dying to to show off the Akrapovič exhaust. So let's hear it right now. So Macadamia metallic.
It was already one.
Yeah. Thank you. All right, let's look at the rest of the outside and then we'll look at the inside. Macadamia metallic outside, black interior. The windows have been tinted. That gives it a nice look. I really like this brown color myself. All the wheels are in pretty nice shape. This car has a nice build option sheet we'll look at here in a moment. It was over $100,000 when it was new. Pretty nice. Those wheels are 19-inch turbo wheels, so a little bit of rim scrape there. Rear tires are 295/30, and the front tire size, it's at the bottom, 235/35/19. Few little marks on the outside of this one also. So this car has film, partial film on the front. You can see the line here on the fender and then going across the hood. So film on the partial front. It's done a nice job of protecting it, although there are some marks here. I'm not sure what happened or what happened here, but there's some marks here on the bumper, so it appears that these are marks on the film mostly. I don't think that the paint underneath is damaged because it seems like it's just on the film. But so I took the pictures of this car and then a torrential downpour happened, so it got very wet, but we wiped it back off for this video, but that's what all this water was. It's crazy rain. There's the exhaust tips. We'll look at the interior and then the front trunk as well. So black interior, Bose stereo, memory seat on this side. There's the Carrera S sill plate. A little bit of scratches on this threshold piece here, but driver's side seat is very nice. Original mats are here in the car. I can stop. What?
You know about a 95,
Okay, we're picking back up here. Had a little interruption with some questions from coworker. Steering wheel leather is in very nice shape on this car. Let's take a look at the build sheet. So here's the exact mileage, 75,674. The tire pressure light's on. This car is going through our service department today or tomorrow, so that will be taken care of. $105,000 new, Macadamia metallic with black. Here's all of the options. PDK, the 19-inch turbo wheels, colored wheel caps, ventilated seats, Sport Chrono Plus, 12-way power seats, infotainment, instrument, surround, and aluminum look. There's some other factual data here on the back from this VIN Analytics company. Sometimes these VIN decodes don't decode how much each of these options cost, but clearly the base price was $91,900, and then with all of this stuff added, it came to $105,000 total. So there's the Sport Chrono clock. The sun's blasting on it. This can move here to right, center, left position. Center console is in nice shape. Sport Plus, climate control, heated seats, cooled seats, which is pretty neat. Navigation there, does have satellite radio there, aux. It does have aux, USB, and iPod connection there. Bluetooth phone, yes. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that. I like to do that so that you can kind of hear the sound relative to the RPMs. Woo! Awfully nice. Alcantara headliner, solid panel sunroof. Back seats are nice and clean. Backs of the seats are nice. So this passenger seat, I'm going to shut the sunroof so you can see this better. Passenger seat has a couple little tears or imperfections here in the material. Not quite sure what happened, or something sharp in someone's pocket, but right there you can see the size of that relative to my fingernail. Same thing here. So two little spots there on the bottom of this seat, but you know, not terrible for the age and the mileage and the fact that you're not paying $105,000 for it, right? A lot better value today. And it's got an expensive exhaust on it, and tinted windows and film on the front. So a lot of nice upgrades that don't need to be done. All right, this video has been a little out of order from the norm that I do things, but that's okay. Take another look around here. Look how pretty that brown color, that macadamia metallic is in the sun. This is a good looking, look at that view right there. Look at that. Good looking car, great color, tinted windows, 997 with LED taillights, turbo wheels, It's a real nice look. Akrapovič exhaust. Definitely cool. Only at Auto Assets here in Powell will you find such neat cars with nice options and ready to drive condition. Come check it out with us here and we'll be happy to show it to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.